How to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial, and in order to change Instagram to dark mode, you have to make changes in the device system itself, as Instagram does not allow to change the appearance of just the app. So swipe down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center of your device. Now, if you hold on brightness, you will get an option for dark mode there. Turn it on if it is not turned on. Or you can go to settings and then on display and brightness. Under appearance, click on dark and your dark mode will be enabled. Now if I open my Instagram here, you can see the dark mode has been enabled. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.